Oh, I'm excited. Can't wait to get this open. Hi everyone, it's Leigh here. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to get this parcel open. Now, the reason I've got a parcel is that I'm doing Dephemerember, and the wonderful and very talented Di from my Enchanted Journals is my scrap swap partner. So I've actually had this for nearly 24 hours and I haven't opened it yet. I've been rattling it and squeezing it and trying to work out what might be in there. It feels like there's something soft, so I have to wonder whether she might have included a piece of her wonderful rust-dyed fabric in there. Can only keep my fingers crossed. Anyway, here we go. For anyone who doesn't know what Dephemerember is, it is a challenge run through the month of December, hosted by Luise, that's Luise Heinzel, and Barbara from 49 Dragonflies. I've made my folder, I'll show you that in a moment, and I've made my ephemera holder, I'll show you that in a moment too. Anyway, let's get down to the real business. Ooh. Oh yes. There we go. There's the rust-dyed fabric. Nothing brings people together like good food or crafting. Thanks for thinking of me. Alright. Oh, that's funny. I sent her some cards too, I think. So cards. Can't wait to use them in something. Alrighty. This is pretty. So my mind's already ticking over as to what I can be using some of these things for. And we get the prompts on Monday from Luise and Barbara. Okay. So I'll be keeping the ribbon to use. I've got that beautiful purple flower. I'm sure she's stitched it herself. Now I've seen her using these doilies. They're gorgeous. So she rust dyes them, but this one looks like it's been dyed with inks. Another lovely piece of doily. This one's crocheted. Some lovely blue paper. Okay, so blue. Alright. Should be interesting. More blue. Got a few blue things here. A lovely piece of tissue paper. Okay, that looks like some packaging. It's got something written on there. Oh, I love this stuff. This is great. I have no idea what it is. I've had some before, but it's like this fibery paper fabricy stuff. Sometimes it has holes in it. Alright, so far so good. I'm loving what I'm seeing, but oh, look at this for you. Oh, this is amazing. I love her rust-dyed fabrics. Thank you very much for this dye. It's wonderful, wonderful stuff. Really love it. I actually got my husband to collect me some rusty items from work, so he scavenged around on the floor of the welding shed at work and got me some rusty things that I can use. Gorgeous. Wasn't it like, this is all handmade, like, where have those days gone? And that's what I love about junk journaling, is it is sort of like harking back to the handmade era. Like, I made a little junk journal for my friend's birthday when she got it and opened it, and her son was looking at it and he thought it was great, and he said to her, who makes somebody something for their birthday these days? Like, who makes things? And yeah, it's true. A sticker. Okay, 1883. Public transport sticker, very good. Some rust-dyed string. Oh, look at this. I have a metal heart. It's been called a few things lately, but it hasn't been called metal. I love what you've done here, Di. This is great. Can't wait to find a use for that. Oh, I can't wait to see what these prompts are. It's just going to be amazing. Alright, so we have hello and some stickers. This is an envelope that she's covered in brown paper. It looks like a jelly print runoff. And here's all the good stuff in here. Oh, yes. I really wanted to get some slides. They're so hard to get. Fantastic. Thanks for that. That's metal. How unusual. It's like a stencil. And some more. feels like it's got paint on it, but it looks like it has ink on it. So something yummy there. So it looks like Di likes blue. She sent me some blue things. I love this. I love the hand stitched stuff. It's just amazing. I'd love to do Roxy's challenge, the slow stitching thing, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just not real good at stitching. Handmade paper. And did you make this, Di? It's awesome. Love it. All the bits and pieces in there. It's beautiful. Here we go. This is the stuff that I really like. I love this. And I can imagine her sitting there making this. Love the colours. I love these edges. See, this is my colour scheme here. I love things like that. If I'm not doing pink or something like that. So, yeah. Okay, slides. Wonder if there's anyone I know on there. Very nice. And this looks like some old piece of paper. Like an old invoice or document of some sort. It's really nice. Okay, this is from inside a library book. The Library and Information Service of Western Australia. Love that. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love this. It's lovely and well, I can't wait to use that. I can't wait to use most of this stuff that I've seen so far. But that I really love, like that and that together. And that's a beautiful combination. This looks old. Greetings, kind and true. On your glad birthday. That looks nice. Oh, it's an old postcard from 1915. I love things like this. This is nice. Really love these sort of scraps. And we have some green. So I've got blue and green and neutrals. And I have a little flower sticker or die cut. Okay, so we have some book page punch outs or die cuts, I'm not sure. Okay. A piece of book spine and blue again. Okay. Oh, a tea bag with some blue on it. This is all, I just can't wait to start using this. Oh, this is adorable. It's a bookmark. I love that. I love the Japanese writing. I have number 5. I wouldn't have known this, but my house number is number 5. So number 5 is one of my favourite numbers. So we have some book page, and I know what she would have been using this for because I've done the same thing too. It's a few pages glued together. And an old exercise book or textbook. English for Today, book 6. That looks really old. Paper in the old days, like in the old days, you know, like a while ago. It has such a different feel to the paper now. Very nice. I'm wondering if her grandkids have coloured in those bits. Oh, there's a picture of me. No, that's awesome. I like that. This is like Christmas getting this. So another tea bag with some ink or paint on it. Another bit of book spine. Some tickets. That's cute. Angels. What's this? It's different. That looks like it's got something about Ave Maria written on the back. And I was going to say it looks like it's out of like something to do with church. Just the look of it. This is adorable. This is like the one that she used on her cover. Some more of her rust-dyed fabric. So this one's a ruffle. Cross-stitch pattern. And a little heart. It's a book page. It looks pretty old. Oh, okay. I know what this is. This is her eco-dyed paper. Look at the patterning she's got in there. I wonder what plants she used. There's a gum tree in Australia that has really fine little leaves on it. Look like paw prints. Some blue dots. Look at this, will you? And I think I've seen Di use these fabrics, or this fabric in particular, in one of her journals. That is stunning. Thank you so much. And it's got little trees along here which you could almost pass for Christmas trees. Some lovely lace flowers and another piece of fabric which is also beautiful. It's like a taffeta or silk. Some more brown paper. I can just see some hearts on there. They're very nice. Some gold hearts. Here we go. Someone's pay packet by the look of it. Can't see a date. That they got $31 something or other. When I first started working, the very first pay that I got was $29.05. I remember it like it was yesterday, and I thought I was rich. That's beautiful. That's like, well, it's sort of like a shiny paper in the background, and this is like felt on the top, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's nice. It's like embossed. Some more handmade paper. I don't know whether I sent her any handmade paper. Can't remember. It's beautiful. It's been cut from a book. That is beautiful. So that's probably from an embroidery book. It reminds me of the stuff that my grandmother used to make. Oh, that's cute. It's an altered paper clip with a bow on it. So I have another playing card. Okay, so I've got a couple of them to use up. And I know where this came from. This looks like Bunnings. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this stuff. I think I saw her paint that actually when she was doing something in one of her art journals. And we have some lovely stripy gold paper. Is that wallpaper? Might be wallpaper actually. And some music paper. I like this because somebody's written all over it in pencil. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, what's this one? Oh, look at that. I love old documents. Fantastic. Oh, but wait, there's still more. I thought I was getting to the end, but it just doesn't seem to be ending. Oh, I think I've got a book that's got this song in it. It's it's actually an old school music book. It's really funny because somebody has written all through, like the kid that had it must have hated the music, and it's got stuff written in there and drawn in there, making fun of people, and yeah, it's quite funny to see. That's a piece of napkin, number 43 in 1854. That's incredible. I wonder if that's an old document that Di's got hold of and has scanned. Some more handmade paper. Beautiful little piece of flowery fabric. It's lovely. That's interesting. That looks like wallpaper again. Paper doily with some ink or paint. And then we have this. It's interesting. You know, when I look at this, I see a mother holding a child. Anybody else see that? So I just love everything that you've sent me, Di. Thank you very much. And I can't wait to see what the prompts are and how I'm going to use these bits and pieces, because there's some fantastic stuff there. And I love the rust-dyed fabric. I don't want to use it. I want to hang on to it and keep it, treasure it. But you sent it to me to be used, so I'm going to have to try and use it. But when we get the prompts, I'll have a better idea of what is going to happen with all my goodies. So that's fantastic. Thank you very much. Really appreciate what you've sent me. I love every single thing. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to keep my ephemera. Alrighty, so this is my ephemera storage. So what I've done is covered a paper bag in jelly prints, and then I've printed the big Ephy out twice, and I've cut the top of his hat and across here, so he's got a pouch there. So he's Ephy in Australia, and because he's in Australia he has to have corks hanging off his hat to keep the flies away. So then when you lift up his hat, inside here we've got one pocket. Behind him here we've got another, and he has a pouch on the front. Okay, so we've got a little Velcro dot there that's holding his hat down. Now I'll put some Velcro on the back, and he stays inside. my journal. And if I need to, I can take him out. So I'll go through and I'll sort my pieces out. I can also stick things behind there, but not permanently, because this is removable. But if I wanted to, I could pop something in the back there. So we lift up his hat, and we've got the pocket, and another pocket, and then the pouch. And his little corks hanging off his hat to keep the flies away from his face while he's down in Australia. I may have to use something else as well if I can't get it all in there. Maybe I can put the small pieces in here, the bigger pieces in that one, and then the biggest pieces at the back, and keep the fabric pieces in a little box or something, but I'll work it out. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and look forward to seeing you for another video soon. And I can't wait till Monday to get the prompts so I can do some planning. For anyone who didn't see my video, this is my folder slash journal. So I made it from a manila folder that has these elastic things on here to hold it closed. This is like fake leather. I started off doing it a different way, and then I decided I wanted something with a little bit more character, and what I did was stick tissue paper all over the paper. Then I painted it with some brown acrylic paint, patchy, did it like patchy colours. Then I also used this paint here, which is called rose gold, and did scattered, randomly put some of that on there. And then I used shoe polish, so I used 2 different coloured shoe polishes and polished it up, and that's the result that I got, this fake leather. So this is the way the folder was when I bought it. That's the way they come. I put the holes in here and put the rings through, and if I want to, I can take my pages out and work on them. So the pages are craft coloured manila folders that I cut down and then covered in gel prints. Sewed around the edge of them, and they're ready to go on the 1st of December. Okay, and close it up. You just have to push in the sides, close it over, pull the elastic on it, and I think eventually that elastic will probably give out, and in which case I'll, when that happens, I'll add a closure of some sort onto it, but for the time being that's it. So that's all ready to rock and roll. Something else I made, had a bit of a play around with the digital download that Luise provided. So I printed off some little Ephys that are holding the days. I've got 1 to 16 plus a couple of spares. So I'll be popping them on my page somewhere along the line. Alrighty, thank you very much for watching. Hope you give me a big thumbs up for this one, and or a thumbs down if you don't like it. Let me know why. Share the video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I'd love you to leave a comment, that'd be great. And I'll see you in another video, so for the meantime, happy crafting. See you next time. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo.